Honor introduced the VPurse as a prototype device, suggested it would never make it available for consumers, but it has changed. The uniquely styled outward folding phone is now available for limited pre-sale in China. It is around 8.6 mm thick and weighs 214 grams. The horizontal foldable is smaller than some bar phones. This is an outward folding phone, that means there is only one display on the outer side. It has a 7.71 OLED screen with 2348 into 2016 pixel resolution. When folded, you have left with a screen of 6.545-inch display. It's a 10-bit DCI-P 3 color gamut, 1600 nits peak brightness screen. The refresh rate is around 90 Hz. The VPurse is powered by Snapdragon 778G with 16 GB of RAM at 256 or 512 GB of storage. It runs Magic OS 7.2 based on Android 13. The cameras are like in a traditional phone: 50 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 8 megapixel selfie camera. The battery is around 4500 milliampere, and you can charge it via 35 watts over USB Type C. The unique gimmick of this phone is you can attach as a chain to it and carry it as a purse. Since phone displays around the screen, it allows the users to customize its look with a variety of always on display styles to match the outfit. The pricing for the 16 to 56 GB is around $820. There is no chance for it being a global device.